Taquachica. Sikemaka. Orale, way. My name is Edgar. For the win, y'all. Right lane for the win. Orale, way. Ay, ay. Monstrous. Oh, that's a ZL1. 2-tone ZL1. Had a sale on half wrap. Hey, Way, since you don't have enough money, Way, I'll wrap half of your car, Way. You don't even have to do the whole thing, ho. Just do half. Alright, Way. I'll do half of it. And when you come pay, I'll put this black line right here in the middle. And when you pay for the rest, I'll put the rest, Way. Orale, orale. If you want to give me half down, I'm only going to do half of the job, mijo. Oh, my bad. And he lost. I thought he was going to win. I was thinking, well, he probably spent the other half of his money in the motor and half on the route. But I see I wasn't correct. You could have put half on some tires. Órale, mijo. flying goose in the gas. Hey, 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 trying to see what you wanna do, what you wanna do. Let's go back here and see what else do we have here tonight. We have a couple of people here tonight filming a couple of races. Uh-oh. Got my boy back up in the Regal. Where is Trina at? I don't know. I forgot to tell him don't go past the 60 foot, man. Dang, I forgot to tell him. Oh, he finna run him again.